Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best slicker brush is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for any dog owner. Keeping your furry friend's coat healthy and mat-free can be a challenge, but with the right brush, it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dog grooming to find the perfect slicker brush that will leave your dog looking and feeling their absolute best. Number 5. Maxpower Planet Pet Grooming Rake. This amazing tool is designed to help you care for your furry friend. It's a great way to strengthen the bond you share with your pet. This rake is a must-have for pet owners. Proudly made in the USA, this grooming rake has been sold to over 1 million pet parents. We are committed to creating products that care for your pets. It's a product you can trust. This brush is perfect for dematting and deshedding your pet's coat. The dual-sided design features a 9-teeth side for mats and tangles and a 17-teeth side for thinning fur. It gently removes loose hair and keeps your pet looking their best. This is the perfect solution for pets with thick fur or double coats. The rake is designed with a comfortable, non-slip handle. It makes grooming your pet a breeze. This rake is specifically designed for long coats, wiry coats, and double coats. It allows you to safely remove mats, tangles, and loose hair. It's important to use it as directed for the best results. Use minimal pressure and glide along the fur to remove tangles and mats. Use the 9-teeth side for dematting and the 17-teeth side for deshedding. Remember to use short, gentle strokes for the best experience for your pet. What we like. This brush features a dual-sided design, making it perfect for tackling mats and deshedding. It effectively removes loose hair and eliminates tangles, keeping your dog looking their best. If you have a pet with a thick coat or prone to mats, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The brush is easy to hold and use. It works great for removing loose hair and dirt from the dog's coat. The bristles are gentle on the dog's skin. Number 4. Aumuca Cat Brush for Shedding. This brush is the perfect gift for pet owners, vets, and groomers. Using it regularly will gently and effectively remove loose hair, tangles, and dirt, leaving your pet shiny and healthy. The mental pins have round rubber tips, perfect for massaging your pets without scratching their skin. It's even suitable for sensitive skin. After use, you can easily hang it up. Made of durable stainless steel and ABS material, this brush is built to last. The bristles are thicker and designed to penetrate deep into the coat, making grooming easier. After brushing, simply click the button to release the hair. The shutter pops out, separating the hair from the metal needle. This saves you time and energy. If you have any problems, we offer a replacement or a full refund. We also have a professional customer service team to assist you with any questions you may have. What we like. This cat brush features skin-friendly massage needles with round rubber tips, ensuring a comfortable experience for your pet. The one-click cleaning button makes it easy to remove the brushed hair. If you are looking for a brush that is gentle on your pet's skin and easy to clean, this is the one. What people say. Brush cleaning function works really well. It is simple and effective. Very convenient, easy to use, and easy to clean. Not hard on the kitties either. They love it. Number 3. WOPQAEM Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. This brush is designed with your pet's comfort in mind. The stainless steel bristles have coated rubber particles to gently penetrate the coat. It won't scratch their sensitive skin. With a simple press of a button, the pins extend. Press it again to retract them, making it easy to collect and remove loose hair. You won't have to worry about hair floating around. This brush works well for dogs and cats of all sizes, with long or short hair. The 10mm needles reach the undercoat effectively. It's perfect for your furry friend. The handle is designed for your comfort. It has a grip that is anti-slip and durable. You can brush your pet for a long time without any strain. This slicker brush is designed to make grooming a pleasant experience for your pet. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to help you. What we like. This brush is designed with coated rubber particles on the bristles, making it safe for sensitive skin. It also features a retractable design for easy cleaning. If you have a pet with sensitive skin or prefer a brush that is easy to use and clean, consider this one. What people say. The brush is easy to use and the bristles are soft. It works great for removing loose hair and the dogs love it. The design is ergonomic and fits comfortably in the hand. Number 2. Poodle Pet Slicker Brush for Dogs and Cats. This is the Poodle Pet Slicker Brush, a top-rated grooming tool. It's trusted by millions of pet owners and recognized as the best in 2023. It's designed to keep your pets looking and feeling their best. The primary function of this brush is to remove loose hair, mats, and knots. The fine wire bristles are designed to gently yet effectively remove debris. This will keep your pet's coat healthy and clean. Each stainless steel pin has a rounded tip to prevent any discomfort. You can brush your pet with confidence, knowing that it won't get hurt. Even the most sensitive animals tolerate this brush. The fine wire pins reach deep into the undercoat to remove loose hair. Regular use helps prevent matting and keeps the coat tidy. It's an essential tool for maintaining your pet's beautiful fur. If your pet has curly hair or a double coat, this brush is your best friend. Brush from the surface to the end of the hair. This helps remove dead hair and keeps the coat looking its best. What we like. This slicker brush has coated tips to prevent scratches, ensuring a comfortable grooming experience for your pet. The fine wire pins reach into the undercoat to remove loose hair and deter matting. If you are looking for a brush trusted by millions of pet owners, this is a great choice. What people say. The brush is easy to use and the bristles are soft. It works great for removing loose hair and dirt from my dog's coat. The design is ergonomic and fits comfortably in my hand. Number 1. We love Doodles Slicker Brush for long-haired dogs. Is your furry friend's coat a tangled mess? This brush makes quick work of those problems, leaving your dog feeling happy and comfortable. It's the perfect solution for matted hair and shedding. Forget those small, ineffective brushes. This one is designed to easily glide through thick and long coats. The ergonomic handle makes grooming comfortable for you, too. Whether you have a small or large dog, this brush is perfect. It's great for golden doodles, labradoodles, poodles, and all other doodle breeds. Your dog will love it. The pins are nearly an inch long and incredibly soft, providing a deeper, gentler brushing experience. They're also angled to protect your dog's skin, ensuring a comfortable grooming session from head to tail. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, please contact us through Amazon, and we'll be happy to help. We want happy dog owners. What we like. This brush is designed to eliminate tangles, knots, and mats, leaving your dog feeling their best. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to work through dense and long coats. If you like a brush specifically designed for doodles and long-haired dogs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The brush is easy to use. It works great for my dog. The slicker brush is effective at removing loose hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.